my kid. Go, baby. Go, go. Yes. You guys, so this is what I've been up to all morning. This is breakfast for babe, breakfast for me, breakfast for Tyler, lunch for Tyler to go, lunch for me to go, and lunch for babe to go. Yeah, I'm on a roll this morning because we are almost ready to leave this house. So we're gonna eat and then get out. Hi there, beautiful people. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning. Say good morning, fam. Chirps, chirps, chirps.
Good morning, guys.
He's looking for the GPS, that's why he didn't recognize it. I said, tell us a morning, faves. Oh, my cool kid is just chilling. Y'all, it's Sunday. Happy Sunday. And we are out and about on this beautiful day. It's sunny. What do you want to tell the faves? Huh? What? Hello, Tyler. You guys, we are still a little bit stuffy but doing a lot better as the time goes by, and that's good. We are actually heading out. We had a rush morning. I had to wake up and make lunch and make breakfast and get ourselves ready, and we are just on time, I hope. It's gonna be a struggle to find parking, but let's see how it's gonna be. We're heading out to have fun today, and you guys will see where we're going when we get there. Yeah, so that's what's up for today. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day and enjoying the day, whatever it is that you're doing today. We have about 18-20 minute drive to go where we're going, so hopefully we'll get there and we'll find parking and we'll enjoy our day. I think we'll be out for most of the day, so it should be a good one. So if you guys ready for today's vlog, give it a thumbs up, and if it's your first time to our channel, don't leave unless you subscribe. Help us continue grow. We're almost at 5,000K. Yes, we're almost there, and we couldn't have done it without you guys. So thank you guys for the support, all the love, and hopefully you guys will really enjoy today's vlog. So catch up and keep up with the fam, and we'll catch you guys in a bit. Run, come to mama, come. Yes, baby, I'm going to stay in line for this. Go, Ty, go. We're going to stay in line for this one. Tyler is going to go in this bouncy. He's ready. You ready? You're excited? Go. Look at him. He's wiggling. Go, Ty, go, baby, go. Climb, Tyler, climb. Climb. Go. Up. Up. Go, boo, boo, go. Go on. All the way up. Go.
Amuse-toi, d'accord?
Yay!
Amuse-toi, bébé.
That was the aim, if you would be able to
Woo! Yeah? You want to come? Go climb. Tyler, come. Climb. Go on. Go. Climb and then you slide back down. Go on. Go up. 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 So you guys, we are at this outdoor park where they have lots of obstacles, lots of activities for kids. And it's like a long stretch of road with different activities that Tyler can do. So he just tried the bouncy and now he's going to do obstacle course. But we're not so late, so the lines are not so long. So hopefully he'll be able to get into the obstacle course, which we're in the line right now. But he should have lots of fun with that. You're gonna go with him, right?
Oh, you go, I'll go.
No, you go.
Okay. I'm the only one. You fade every time.
No, I'm not. Doesn't I love see you and him like that?
Okay.
So Tyler is here. Yeah? Lift him up. Tyler, you wanna go over there? You wanna go to that one? Yeah. We're in the line, we're single, okay? So we're actually by the beach. If you look, the beach is just behind me. So we are along the beach for the entire day today. So it's gonna be a good day, y'all. The wolves are there in the line. Tyler is so excited, he can't wait to go in. Baby's taking off Tyler's shoes. He's so ready, look at him. He's the most excited kid out here. Put it in your pocket, babe. Tyler, go, go. Wait. Tyler, wait. Whoa. Tyler, he's gonna flip you over, baby. Yay! Good job. Walk. Tyler, walk on it. Go, walk. Oh, look at Boo Boo. Good job. Wow. Walk on it 2 foot. Good job. 2 foot tight, 2 foot. Yay.
Je suis arrivé 128e sur 600 et 500.
Bravo! Ty, no. This one. Tyler, wait. Look what she doing. Look. Go, stand here. Show me where to stand. Yay, bravo, bébé. Yeah. Wait till I flip. Yeah. Wait, Tyler, wait. Stand right there. Yeah, go on, up. So you guys, Tyler get to do 3 tries of this course, and he's actually on his 3rd and final round right now. There he is right here. Look at him walking without holding on. He's learning to balance on that one over there. And then this one right here, he learns to push, which I love to see him do the most. Push, baby, push. Push, Ty, push, go. Yeah. Yes. Go, baby, go, go, go. Continue, continue, continue. Go, baby, go. Continue. Oh, yay. Hey. Go. Go, baby. Go, 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 go. Hey, 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 hey. Go, go, baby. Hey, hey, hey. This got to be my kid. Yo, this got to be my kid. Go, baby. Go, go. Yes. Go, baby. Hey, 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 hey. Good time. What are you looking at down there? You guys, we're chilling at the beach because we're waiting on this bouncy line and it's so darn long. So baby's in the line. Baby's behind this gentleman in the blue shirt. There he is right there. And we're waiting to go in this bouncy. And the line is from there to the start. So it's not bad. So hopefully we'll get in soon. Tyler finally getting to go in the bouncy. Go, Ty. Continue. Go, baby. Go. Go, Pumpkin. Go through it. Come out here and guide him along. Go, baby. Go. Oh, Lord. Sometimes I'm scared for him. Let's see if he's going to come through here. You see him? He's stuck. Go, baby! Woo! He made it! Tyler, climb! Climb! Tyler, climb! Go, baby, go! Take your time. Oh, my big boy. Go, Ty, go. Yeah, go. Continue. He went down already? Yes. Go. Go on. It's hot. It's okay. Go. Go through here. Go on.
Casting like this, to the manage, you have to go to the side.
I see his little head coming. Ty, go on the side. He's going over it. He's going over it. He made it. Yes. Woohoo! Yes. Mama, baby, you made it. Mama is so proud right now. Woo! Yay! Ty, go down and go around again. Get down. Go, 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 go. Oh my God. proud I am right now. I feel like I want to cry. Last year this time, he was so little and he couldn't have done none of these. And now he's doing it by himself and he's going over the obstacles by himself. Just too cute.
He passed it along.
He gone? He's gone?
He's already gone along.
There he is. I missed him when he slid down. I'm so proud. I want to cry. Hey, oh my God, go time! Woohoo! He's dying of laughter. Go, allez. Allez, baby. Continue. Look at him. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. He's not giving up. There you go. He made it. He made it. He made it. Come on, baby. Let's go. Good job, Papa. Good job. Come down and go around again. Go on. Go, 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 go. Go. Jump. Jump, baby. Jump, jump. Jump. Yeah? No, this one is yours. Jump. Jump. Jump, funky jump. Jump, funky jump. Guys, beach is full of people tanning, but black people don't tan, so that's not my life.
You don't tan.
I don't tan. Black people don't tan. Oh.
No. Jamaican black people don't.
Why should black people tan, honey?
People there.
What? No, tell me why should black people tan? No, hold on. I know, but I'm saying why. I don't see the point. You guys, this is up for debate. Tell me, do you think black people should tan? What's the purpose of tanning? And why black people should tan? Because people tan because what? Not because they love sun, because they want to tone down the color of their skin, no?
So to tan like this, but look at, for example, you have black people like you, and you have black people like black people. They're still different people.
That's true, but
Trust
well,
me, somebody like you is also
I don't see why black people tan. But I guess everybody is different. I personally don't tan, so.
Right.